Robbie here from Save Stores, and I am so excited to invite you to a free dime event that we're hosting with Lisa Knight, and she is an expert embroiderer, and she's going to share all these insider tips and tricks that are going to make turning your embroidery machine that you already have into an edge-to-edge quilting machine. And I'm going to show you, I just kind of started playing around here on one of these little tabletop long arms here. But I want to show you, this is a dime hoop, and they have a whole bunch of other stuff, and they're going to show you techniques. And she knows her machine. She's actually an expert that works with some of the manufacturers directly, so we're really lucky to have her. But I want to show you, so when we're doing our quilting, we kind of have one shot to get it right, or we kind of ruin it. So a lot of us wind up sending them out. Well, now you're going to get the confidence to do it yourself. So the old way of doing quilting is you take your hoops, and you hoop up your quilt, and you line it all up, and you try and sandwich it in there and hope that it didn't unhoop, didn't pop out, didn't make a mess. Then you stick it on, try and deal with all your fabric, pull it over there, and then when you wanted to move to the next spot, you'd have to take the whole thing off and then re-hoop to line it up. Well, one of the cool things here is these hoops here, they're magnetic, so that they just lift up, so you don't have to worry about that. So I just moved this, I did a block here, and we can do a continuous edge-to-edge pattern here, and I'll show you how. So if we jump in here, this is with the dime hoops, and I'm gonna hit my little spaceship, alien, a little, looks like he's beaming you up. Beam me up, Scotty. But watch what this does. It literally turns my embroidery and puts it down on my fabric. Now, I don't care about the middle of my embroidery. I care about the end here. So I have my stitching, so I need to get that to line up with that. And this is the hard part that people have. And I just want to show you how easy this is as I move it right into place. And you can see it just line right up. Can you see that? How cool is that? And now, if I want to quilt, I can go down here to the bottom, and I can make sure that my quilting is lining up where I want it. I can move it all the way up here and make sure it's lining up where I want. Go back down here and recheck my little start point. Hit my foot down. Go button. And look at that, right where it left off. So easy to do. I don't have to fight with anything, and it makes finishing edge-to-edge quilting so easy, but you're gonna get tons of secret tricks right from our very own expert, Lisa Knight, who's been invited. She lives in Vegas, so you know she's awesome. So click the link down below, sign up for the event. It's totally free. I'll guarantee you a great time. So see you then, bye.